Welcome to Project Management. This is going to be a big course. Make sure you have your coffee ready because we are going to dive into a lot of different concepts. We're going to do a lot of calculations by hand. So make sure that coffee is hot and you've got an entire pot ready. There's going to be a lot of information to digest. Feel free to pause the video and go back and rewatch things as you need to. Feel free to pause and search more information about a topic in project management that interests you more. There is so much information in project management. It's a topic that is constantly evolving. We are still learning so much more about how to manage people, how to manage projects. And project management itself breaks down into so many different areas. We're going to talk about risks and quality and people and schedules. We're going to dive into a lot of these details, covering a lot of the key concepts, the core calculations that we need to know how to do to become better project managers. In today's world, understanding project management is a key skill that every organization looks for. Every hiring manager looks for. Every team they want an effective project manager. So grab your cup of coffee, get ready, and I hope you enjoy.